religious ideas, the Vedic people were curious about the various forces in nature, such as the sun, the wind, the rain, the rivers, lightning, and storms. They offered prayers to these forces to secure their blessings. The idea of making offerings to these forces in order to win their favor became common. They believed that fire would act as an agency to take the offerings of these forces. That is why they put their offerings or havi into the fire. This ritual of offering havi into the fire is called yajna. Later, the technique of performing yajna became very complicated. It could not be performed without taking assistance from a priest. Yajna came to be considered as the soul and substance of religion. People in the Vedic period realized that all things in nature follow a definite pattern. They termed this regular pattern in nature as Rita. The sages who sought to know how the universe was created maintained that the entire universe originated from a single primal principle called Sat. They believed that by whatever name God is worshipped, the worship ultimately reaches Sat, or this divine principle. This thought helped to develop the idea of religious tolerance in India.